It's a perfect morning, and we're at the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn, Michigan. For our 4th of July video of 2022, we are taking a look at Detroit and Lima Northern No. 7, a 440 American-type steam locomotive. 440s were very common in the United States in the mid to late 19th century and earned the nickname American because they were used across the country. The Detroit and Lima Northern No. 7 was built in 1897 for that railroad. It was later purchased by the DT&I and donated to the museum by Henry Ford himself. Here, the number 7 takes a spin on the turntable. The 440 represents the wheel arrangement. There are 4 wheels on the leading truck and 4 driving wheels. There is no trailing truck on a 440. Thousands of 440s were produced between the 19th and 20th centuries, with the first known tender version being produced in 1836 for the Philadelphia, Grahamtown, and Norristown Railway. The last 440 was produced by Baldwin in 1946 for export to Mexico. The 440 is a staple of American railroading, and there are many examples preserved. However, only 8 are operational, 2 of which are housed in the Henry Ford Museum in Dearborn. This includes the Detroit and Lima Northern No. 7, and then a smaller locomotive, the Edison. With the No. 7 spun on the turntable, the daily routine of getting the locomotive ready for service continues. They will next back down to the ash dump and then head to the passenger cars. No coal is required today as the Detroit and Lima Northern No. 7 continues on to the backtrack. Thanks for watching. We hope everyone has a safe and happy 4th of July and can enjoy time with their family on this beautiful holiday.